ever touched something softer than silk, warmer than wool, and worth more than gold? That's not a fantasy, it's cashmere. But where does this luxurious fabric come from? Meet the remarkable cashmere goats, raised not just for their prized fiber, but also for milk and meat. Behind every cashmere scarf lies a surprising journey filled with tradition, care, and technique. Today, we're stepping onto the farm to uncover how these goats power a global industry and why their wool is one of the most expensive natural fibers on Earth.
Let's start with the basics. Farmers raise two main types of goats. First, dairy goats, used for their milk. Second, fiber goats, famous for their fine wool, especially cashmere. When it comes to reproduction, goats have a pregnancy that lasts around 145 to 155 days. A single birth usually brings 1 to 4 babies, with twins being the most common. What do these goats eat? These goats eat natural grass, dry hay, leaves, and straw. But that's not enough for high-quality wool or good milk production. So, farmers also feed them grains and protein-rich food, like soybeans and sunflower seed meal. This helps keep the goats healthy and their wool soft and strong. How is cashmere collected? Now let's see how farmers gather that ultra-soft wool. The wool isn't shaved like you would expect with sheep. Instead, it's combed out by hand. The comb gently removes the soft undercoat, which is what we call cashmere, and also the longer outer hair. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt the goats. In fact, many enjoy the process, especially during warmer seasons when they naturally start shedding. 1. Cleaning and processing the wool. Once the wool is collected, it still carries dust, oil, and other debris, so it's washed thoroughly. The cleaning process removes all dirt and softens the fibers. After washing, the wool goes through drying machines, then moves along a line to be blown into storage bins. The entire process is designed to keep the delicate fibers intact. Goats that do more than give wool. These goats aren't just for their coats. Their milk is also in high demand. Milking is done using machines with soft suction tubes. Once the goats are ready, workers place the tubes on the goats' udders. The process is quick, painless, and extremely efficient. This milk often gets turned into cheese, yogurt, and specialty dairy products. Goat meat, another income source. And there's more. Goat meat is also popular in many regions. Farmers raise them for high-quality, lean meat. Once the goats are processed, the meat is cleaned, trimmed, and sliced based on how it will be cooked. Whether for grilling, stews, or packaged cuts sold in supermarkets. The meat is then shipped to stores, where it ends up in households and restaurants.